Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do paper trading on GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on GoCharting.com. Afterwards, simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside, you just have to load your preferred market or assets chart. So when you are here on the charts panel, you are going to see the options, something like this. So over here, in order to start the paper trading, you just have to click on the option of trade in the bottom. Afterwards, it is going to show you this type of section in front of you where you are going to see the buy and the sell option. So based on your analysis, you can just simply select one. Then you will be shown the options of limit, market, stop and stop limit. So if you want to execute the order on market price, you can select market. If you want to basically add the pending order, you can select the limit option over here. Now here, after entering the amount and the pricing in the USD, you just have to click on the option of buy, and as soon as you do this, your order will be placed, meaning that now you are using paper trading right away. So now you can put the SL something like this, and then you can drag and drop it something like this in order to basically select your TP. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.